यो प्रश्न हेरौं के तिमी पक्का छौ कि त्यो ऊ थियो Are you sure that it was him Are you sure that it was him Are you sure को अर्थ के तिमी पक्का छौ Are you sure that it was him अब यसको उत्तर हेरौं म पुरै पक्का त छैन तर मलाई लाग्छ त्यो ऊ नै थियो I am not fully sure but I think it was him I am not fully sure but I think it was him के तपाई मजाक गर्दै हुनुहुन्छ कि तपाई गम्भीर हुनुहुन्छ Are you kidding or are you being serious? Are you kidding or are you being serious? Kidding भनेको ठट्टा अथवा मजाक गर्नु Are you kidding or are you being serious? अब यसको पनि उत्तर म मजाक गरिरहेको छैन मलाई भरोसा गर अथवा मैले जिस्केको होइन विश्वास गर I am not kidding trust me I am not kidding trust me के तपाई आफ्नो जीवनसँग सन्तुष्ट हुनुहुन्छ Are you content with your life Are you content with your life? Are you content भनेको के सन्तुष्ट हुनुहुन्छ? Are you content with your life? अब उत्तरमा मसँग जे छ त्यसमै सन्तुष्ट छु I am content with what I have. I am content with what I have. तपाई हेरिरहनु भएको छ हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु युट्युब च्यानल तपाईहरुको अंग्रेजी सिक्ने ठाउँ आजको भिडियोमा हामी आर यु का क्वेशन्सहरुको अभ्यास गर्ने छौं आन्सर सहित के तपाई तयार हुनुहुन्छ त ल अगाडि बढौं लेट्स मूव फरवर्ड अब अर्को क्वेशन हेरौं के तपाई यी सित्तैमा दिदै हुनुहुन्छ आर यु गिभिङ दिस अवे फर फ्री Are you giving these away for free? म यी सित्तैमा दिदैछु किनभने मलाई अब यिनीहरूको आवश्यकता छैन I am giving these away for free because I don't need them anymore. I am giving these away for free because I don't need them anymore. For free भनेको सित्तैमा I am giving these away for free because I don't need them anymore. के तिमी यो एक्लै गर्न कोशिश गर्दै छौ? Are you trying to do it alone? Are you trying to do it alone? उत्तरमा म सधैँझै यो एक्लै गर्दै छु I am doing it alone like always. I am doing it alone like always. Like always भनेको सधैँझै I am doing it alone like always. के तिमी हामीसँग आउँछौ कि आउँदै छैनौ? Are you coming with us or not? Are you coming with us or not? म तिमीलाई यसबारे पछि खबर गर्नेछु I will inform you about it later. I will inform you about it later. Inform भनेको खबर गर्नु I will inform you about it later. के तिमी बुद्धु हौ तिमीले त्यसो किन गर्यौ Are you stupid? Why did you do that? Are you stupid? Why did you do that? यो अर्को तरिकाले पनि भन्न सकिन्छ के तिमी पागल हौ तिमीले त्यसो किन गर्यौ Are you nuts अथवा Are you crazy? Why did you do that? Are you nuts? Why did you do that? Nuts भनेको पागल Are you nuts? Why did you do that? Are you crazy? Why did you do that? मैले यसो गरे किनभने मलाई गर्न मन लाग्यो I did it because I wanted to do it. I did it because I wanted to do it. अब अर्को पनि उत्तर हेरौं त माफ गर मैले जानाजानी गरेको होइन I'm sorry I didn't do it on purpose. I'm sorry I didn't do it on purpose. On purpose भनेको जानाजानी I'm sorry I didn't do it on purpose. के तपाईलाई जाडो भइरहेको छ अथवा के तपाईलाई चिसो महसुस भइरहेको छ Are you feeling cold? Are you feeling cold? हो मलाई लाग्छ कि मैले ज्याकेट लगाउनु पर्छ Yes, I think I need to wear a jacket. Yes, I think I need to wear a jacket. के तिमी केही पकाइरहेका छौ Are you cooking something? Are you cooking something? म मेरी आमाको लागि केही पकाइरहेको छु I am cooking something for my mother. I am cooking something for my mother. यो च्यानल हाम्रो इंग्लिश गुरु र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासलाई सब्स्क्राइब गरिसक्नु भएको छैन भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्न अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला र सब्स्क्राइबको छेउमा भएको घण्टीलाई पनि बजाउन नभुल्नुहोला के तपाई कतै जाने योजनामा हुनुहुन्छ Are you planning to go somewhere? Are you planning to go somewhere? यही कुरा यसरी पनि सोध्न सकिन्छ अब के तपाई कतै जाने योजनामा हुनुहुन्छ Are you planning on going somewhere? Are you planning on going somewhere? अब उत्तरमा म पोखरा जाने योजनामा छु अथवा म पोखरा जाने योजना बनाइरहेको छु I am planning to go to Pokhara. I am planning to go to Pokhara. अब अर्को उत्तर होइन मेरो कुनै योजना छैन Not really. I don't have any plans. Not really. I don't have any plans. के तपाई समस्या निम्त्याउन खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ Are you trying to get into trouble? अथवा Are you trying to get in trouble? Are you trying to get into trouble? यो भनेको कसैले केही गलत काम गर्दा भनिन्छ Are you trying to get into trouble? Are you trying to get in trouble? होइन मलाई थाहा थिएन कि यो गर्नु गलत थियो No, I didn't know it was wrong to do so. No, I didn't know it was wrong to do so. के तिमीलाई सहयोग चाहिएको छ? Are you in need of help? Are you in need of help? मलाई सहयोग चाहिएमा म तिमीलाई बोलाउने छु अथवा फोन गर्ने छु. I will call you if I need help. I will call you if I need help. कल भनेको बोलाउनु, फोन गर्नु दुबै हुन्छ. I will call you if I need help. के तपाईले उनीसँग बिहे गर्न लाग्नु भएको हो? Are you going to marry her? Are you going to marry her? हो, हाम्रो बिहेमा अवश्य उपस्थित हुनुहोला. Yes, I am. Be sure to attend our wedding. Yes, I am. Be sure to attend our wedding. Wedding भनेको बिहे. Yes, I am. Be sure to attend our wedding. यो भिडियोलाई लाइक र शेयर गर्न पनि अवश्य नछुटाउनुहोला. Be sure to like and share this video as well. के तपाई पक्का हुनुहुन्छ कि तपाई पछुताउनु हुने छैन? Are you sure that you won't regret it? Are you sure that you won't regret it? Regret भनेको पछुताउनु. Are you sure that you won't regret it? समयले बताउनेछ अथवा त्यो कुरा त मात्र समयले बताउनेछ. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. तिमी रुँदै छौ? के भयो? Are you crying? What happened? Are you crying? What happened? मेरो कुकुर बितेकोले म रोइरहेको छु. I am crying because my dog passed away. I am crying because my dog passed away. Passed away भनेको बितेको. I am crying because my dog passed away. के तिमीलाई भोक लागेको छ? केही खान चाहन्छौ? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat something? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat something? हो, मलाई धेरै भोक लागेको छ. म चाउमिन खान चाहन्छु. Yes, I am very hungry. I want to eat chowmin. Yes, I am very hungry. I want to eat chowmin. के तपाई जागिरमा हुनुहुन्छ कि अझै जागिर खोज्दै हुनुहुन्छ? Are you employed or are you still looking for a job? Are you employed or are you still looking for a job? म अझै बेरोजगार छु. I am still unemployed. I am still unemployed. Unemployed भनेको बेरोजगार, काम नभएको. I am still unemployed. के तपाई अंग्रेजी भाषामा निपुण बन्न खोजिरहनु भएको छ? Are you trying to master the English language? Are you trying to master the English language? हो, म धारा प्रवाह अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्ने वक्ता बन्न चाहन्छु. Yes, I want to become a fluent English speaker. Yes, I want to become a fluent English speaker. यसको अर्थ म खरर अंग्रेजी बोल्न सक्ने बन्न चाहन्छु पनि हुन्छ। Yes, I want to become a fluent English speaker. र यदि तपाईहरु पनि राम्रोसँग अंग्रेजी बोल्न चाहनुहुन्छ भने यो च्यानल र हाम्रो अनलाइन क्लासमा भएका सबै भिडियोहरु एक-एक गरी हेर्न नछुटाउनुहोला।